Yes, it is Wednesday. Cheers to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundit of the beautiful game. How are you? I hope it's fine and staying safe. I have a good news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we dive into our details, I would like to take this chance to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support throughout my journey. Your cheers and encouragement mean the world to me. Today, under the bright lights of Orlando Stadium, the Orlando Pirates are set for a do-or-die clash against AMC Alger in the second leg of the CAF Champions League quarterfinals. With a place in the semi-finals at stake, coach Jose Rivero has assembled a balanced and formidable lineup built for control, creativity, and clinical finishing. In goal, the ever-reliable Sifocha In will command the box, come under pressure, and sharp in 1 versus 1 situations. His presence between the sticks is a crucial foundation for this must-win fixture. At the right back, Newell Silently Diano Van Rooyen bring grit and energy. He'll be tasked with shutting down MC Alger's left wing and while pushing forward to provide width and support in attack. On the opposite flank, veteran Dion Hoto, lined as a left back, known for his pace and experience. Hoto adds both defensive cover and attacking thrust, especially in transitional play. The centre-back pairing of Mbekeze Mbokazi and Nkosina CCBC will need to be solid and composed. Mbokazi bring aerial dominance and composure on the ball, whilst BC add strength and leadership, ready to snuff out any threat from MC Alger's forwards. In midfield, it is double pivot of Mahili Makaula and Talent Mbata. Makaula, the enforcer, will break up play and protect the backline. Mbata will serve as a deep line playmaker, connecting defense to attack with the pressures, passing, and vision. Ahead of them, the engine team of Patrick Tito Mashanganyi occupies the central attacking midfield role. With his flair and intelligence, he'll be orchestrating the pirate attacking movement and look to unlock the Algerian defense with the key passes. On the wings, reliable Hile Mofokeng takes the left. At 20 years old, he has already shown his ability, how he can torment defenders with his dribbling and acceleration. On the right, we have Mohaun Kota, another exciting talent at directness and trickery, key in creating chances from wide areas. Leading the line in from Shegofa Somabasa will spearhead the attack, known for his physicality and release of finishing. He will be looking to add his capital and lead Buccaneers to glory. Formation is 4-2-3-1 and the opponent will be NC Alger, as I told you before. So Orlando Pirates will be hoping to qualify for the semi-final with the home crowd behind them and a clear path to semi-final in sight. Orlando Pirates will need to be clinical, compact, and courageous. All eyes are on the Sea Robbers today.